Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Shalonica Sir Gimalan, 39 years old from 8th Avenue, Bango Street, Agdao, Davao City, Philippines. I am a college graduate. I have two kids. They are 8 and 10 years old, both girls. I don't have an experience working abroad, but I do experience working as a household helper here in the Philippines. My main duties is to do the household chores such as cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of 6 years old girl. The reason why I am applying in Hong Kong because this is one of my desired country and the salary is high. Ma'am, sir, I am a hardworking, trustworthy, attentive to details, and can work independently and willing to learn the task you've given. If you will giving me an opportunity to work with you, ma'am and sir, I will do the duties and the responsibilities in your humble thoughts. And I promise to finish the contract to work with you as long as you need me. I hope that you will hire me to work with you as your household helper. Thank you and God bless.